to take this on?
Ready. I got a choice.
You want me to rinse it for you, Rob?
Yeah, I was gonna pull it back and we're gonna rinse it up.
Getting ready to wrap this thing in Lombard paint protection film. The guys do have a couple things to take off the vehicle to make the install a little more seamless. They're gonna take these hood vents out of the hood. Usually we'll take door handles off and side mirrors, but these are not connected to the doors, so they're not in the way. Getting started on the window tint. We were supposed to do this yesterday, ran out of time. Luckily it's my car, and I don't care. So we're gonna be doing Stratos all the way around. We're gonna be doing Stratos 70 on the windshield. They got the paint protection film done yesterday. Oscar and Kirby are cutting out the film, getting ready to slap it on. We got two GTIs. Two GTIs. Wow. Two-door? What do we have going on over here? Dead buffers?
Yeah. Edgar sent these to me.
Dead ones?
Yep. Gotta send them.
Send them out. We got some cars to get afters of. Mercedes done and the Mazda 6 are done, so those can both be pulled out and do after shots of them.
Only Mazda.
Why do you think I was gonna hit you?
I don't know, you always like to hit me.
What do you think?
I've never seen such a car. It looks like a Panamera.
Yeah?
Looks fast.
Would you drive it?
Nice practice about anything.
No way to throw it off. For a second, I believe it's gone.
They're prepping the Tesla behind me. This one's gonna be wrapped, full car wrap in vinyl film, KPMF. It's like a red, black, iridescent film. So it kind of color shifts from red to black, really cool film. Excited to see that on the vehicle. That one also is getting window tint done, so pretty big project there. They're gonna prep it, make sure the paint is absolutely perfect and smooth, no contamination, so we can have a clean install on that vinyl film.
Get this roof ready, Jake. We're gonna do this first time. Just gotta start slapping shit on. You got time to waste time. 48 roll? Oh, you 6 over? Oh, my bad. I wasn't even looking.
2 over now.
Yeah, let's use 48 roll, I guess. It's 46. Yeah, and then, 36.
Well, we can stretch it either way. 36 by 48.
Boy, I want the 48 to tack to this, so get 48 roll.
Next car in line, Mercedes E63 AMG, in for an exterior enhancement detail. How's it going, Rob?
Good.
Gonna do the door next?
We're gonna do the fenders and then the door, but there's some downtime when you're doing paint protection film because you gotta think things through, see what you need to do on the computer to make it fit right. But shit's happening.
Excellent.
What's that?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent.
What's that?
Excellent.
Excellent.
We just finished the prep on this Mercedes. Now we're gonna start the exterior enhancement.
What you got going on in here?
Disassembling this year Model S that's brand new.
Ooh. What are you doing to it?
Wrapping it.
What are your thoughts on the color?
It's fruity like Ryan. No comment.
I'm Greg. Yeah. Pleasure to meet you, Jim. This is my partner, Jason.
Hey, Jason.
How you doing?
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
It's a great running car, but the paint lets you down.
Yeah, so all these, there's some splotchiness in it.
Yeah.
I don't know what to think about that. And
The
this,
scratch, I can't probably do it.
so you know what we're looking
I
at.
know.
But the swirls, that's not real hard to get out. Yeah, we can certainly make the finish look a lot nicer. It's just
I'd recommend doing
strange areas.
AM glaze. Get just a little bit of a cut and a fill,
Yeah.
because I don't think there's much paint to.
Fading, all fading right here.
That's what I was worried about. Is this like,
Yeah, this is all
like
fading
burn
away.
through? And you
can
think,
see here where it's covered. Nice, fresh.
but if you take a buffer of that, what happens?
I tell you before I try it. That's when you run into issues with these older cars when you it's a mystery.
Is this a Chicago car?
It's from the south side, way down Lombard area. I actually bought, in order to get this car, I had to buy the one I wanted. They were selling cars two at a time. The man who died had 40 plus cars in various stages of working.
Okay.
So
What's the car that you got that you wanted?
Yeah,
a 1949 Singer Roadster.
Nice.
And I had that restored. And that's really a great car.
Singer?
Yeah. It's a pretty rare car. In fact, I have two of them. I bought one in England, had it shipped here, and we can't get the parts, so we're waiting forever, for 6 months now. We may have found the part we need, but that's the danger of a very rare car.
I don't know what was on the back seat, but scrubbed it with the leather brush. Didn't really, I mean, it did come out a little bit, but there's still some left. We're gonna try something else and see if we can get it out.
So what's the plan with the seat?
We're putting
Peanut butter.
peanut butter on the seat to try to blend in the stain that's on there.
It's not peanut butter.
Let's take a look at that. Looks like the peanut butter worked. The natural oils in the peanut butter soak into the leather, create a nice even finish. Yeah, you don't want it chunky. You just want smooth peanut butter.
So how's the PPF going?
Smooth. It's going great, my friend.
What are the hardest parts about the car, you think?
About this car?
Yeah.
I guess the fact that there's a lot of curves. Like it looks very flat, but if you could notice, there's this little valley that goes throughout here, and then it goes up into a flat, and then it drops into another flat, and then a hump, and then it just continues. And it being one piece, getting everything to flow properly is the hardest part, but pretty simple. Pretty simple once you know what you're doing.
That's fine.
You know, a couple years of training and this is cake.
I don't think it does works.
Oh,
It doesn't work.
How does it feel?
it feels good.
Looks good.
Good, it fit good.
All right, Christian's finishing up the Model 3, wiping all the wax off of it, checking all of his cracks. I'm gonna look it over and then he's ready to go. Last detail of the day.
Will you just clean the windows real quick so I can do an outro? There it is. What?
Sorry. Good, right there, go.
Well, there it is. She's protected. We got Lombard paint protection film on the front. We got Lombard window tint all the way around. Looks great. I love the... Goodbye. Oh, bye.
You know, when you work all day, you finish early, get all your work done, you get to wash your own car. You get to wash your own beautiful car.
On the next episode...